Hi, I'm Mula. And hi, I'm Woody. And we're eco-friendly toothbrushes made by Radius. I made it of shredded money and Woody is named Wood. And we're going to show you what's so cool about manufacturing.
Manufacturing itself. I love manufacturing because it can be different every single day.
So what is Radius? Radius is a toothbrush manufacturing company, but let's find out more information.
Radius has 30 employees and is proud to be women-owned. Their company is located in Kutztown and they manufacture eco-friendly toothbrushes, which are all designed and manufactured in the USA.
So what inspires me to be with Radius is I get the ability to kind of one day be IT and then next day work on a project and various different tasks every day. So every day is challenging and we're at a fast pace. And all those things I really enjoy in a job. That's why I like it.
So how does Radius make toothbrushes like us anyway? I don't know. Let's go find out.
First, they start off with plastic pellets. After that, the vacuum wands suck the moisture from the plastic pellets. Next step is the machine that melts the pellets. Then, the plastic is entered the cavity to make the mold. After 20 seconds, it makes 4 parts. Finally, they are checked for quality and shipped around the world.
I think one of the coolest things about manufacturing here at Radius is to build a brand and a product that eventually is going to be sold at Targets and Walmarts all across the United States. So this could be part of the building process of getting the need out to consumers is what is probably the cool factor to me.
Wow, I should get more involved with the manufacturing company. It sounds like so much fun. Yeah, me too, except we're the products. Ha 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 ha.